What's up guys, this is Maahek Nair and here's Praveen Nair, and today we're doing an easy yummy pre-workout meal, or you can say a cheat meal. That's a healthy protein pizza.
Alright, so when you talk about macronutrients, it's very important that you know your macronutrients. When you talk about your muscle gain, when you talk about your weight loss or fat loss, or even up to an extent your performance in the gym is completely dependent on your macro intake. So this is something going to be focused on your macros.
So let's see the ingredients and see the recipe.
Let's go.
Five whole eggs, 2 only yolks, 1 small cup mozzarella cheese, coriander leaves, Alright guys, so our healthy protein pizza is ready.
So you want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that small bell button to get the intimation on our new videos.
Stay tuned with us. Thank you so much for watching.
And we will see you in the next video. Till the time, take care.